guys, what's up? It's me, Andrea. I'm finally back with another formal video, and today I will be unboxing an Althea box with you guys. The people from Althea Korea kindly sent me a box filled with goodies that I don't know. Pinapahulaan nila sa akin kung ano yung nasa loob. So I will be jumping into this video without knowing what's inside that box. Tammy from Althea Korea told me that the items inside this box are baking themed. So sobrang na-excite ako dun kasi kahit anong pagkain-related na excite ako. Althea sent me this box about a month ago, and I only had time to film this video right now because of some personal matters. But I'm so excited because I finally get to open it today. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano katagal ako nagpigil para buksan to. As in, ang hirap magpigil. Let's open it up! I'm so excited! Woo! Bubble wrap. Favorite part of any package. Bubble wrap talaga. Mayroon pa palang letter sa loob. Sabi nila, "Hello beautiful, Frank Kang here, the CEO of Althea Korea, an online K-beauty shopping destination that ships 100% authentic popular K-beauty products all the way from Korea right to your doorstep. Our fans love us for our pink beauty box, affordable prices, and our fuss-free 30-day unconditional return policy. I hope you like this gift that I handpicked for you. It contains the trendiest K-beauty products from Korea. Thank you so much to Mr. Frank Kang and all the people there from Althea. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for sending me this. Yan! Ito na! Ay! Nahulag! Nakikita nyo naman, lahat ng items nila naka-bubble wrap. So, very commendable kasi alam mong maingat talaga sila. 4 items ang nasa loob ng box ko. Simulan na natin dito. This is the Choco Pie hand cream. Sobrang cute, na excite ako. It's from the brand The Same. The highly moisturizing hand cream with marshmallow cushiony soft texture keeps hands moisturized for long hours as it melts into skin fast without leaving any sticky residue on skin. Cute niya! Sobrang mukha siyang Choco Pie talaga. Nagutom ako. May nakalagay na, "Do not eat." Feeling ko, ginawa nila yun para sa akin kasi feeling ko gusto ko siya kainin. Na-try ko siya sa kamay ko. Amoy lotion na medyo matamis, pero hindi siya amoy chocolate. Tapos malambot siya sa kamay, in fairness. Hindi naman siya malagkit. Kasi personally, hindi ako fan ng malagkit na lotion. Sobrang naiinis ako, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas kasi sobrang init. So, pag nagpawis ka, pag lumabas ka, sobrang parang ang lagkit mo lalo. Gusto ko to kasi hindi siya sobrang lagkit. Feeling ko lagi ko na talalagay sa bag ko from now on. Yung next naman ay ito. Egg Soap Special Set. Galing sa brand na Holika Holika. Mukha siyang egg. Ang cute. Lahat ng items ata mukhang pagkain. Kaya baking themed. Sobrang, nom-nom. Na-excite ako. Ang bango niya. Hindi ko pa tinatanggal sa lalagyan ng bango na niya. Oh my God! Ang cute! Tingnan niyo! Ay, hindi pa. Silica gel pala yun. Meron ang 4 na egg-shaped soap sa loob. At iba-iba yung kulay nila. Ayan. May nakasulat sa baba. Yes. Merong white egg, may green tea egg, may red clay egg, tsaka may charcoal egg. So, feeling ko, iba-ibang klaseng skin types or skin problems yung ina-address ng mga soaps na to. I can't wait to try this. Ito naman yung next item, ang Onsamein yogurt peeling. Sobrang sorry kasi feeling ko lahat hindi ko sinasabi na maayos. Ito yung nakasulat. Yogurt contains protein that keeps your skin firm and that helps fight the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Okay na ata to para sa akin kasi 20 na ako. So, kailangan ko na ata ng anti-aging. You know, para i-prevent. Mas mabuti na i-prevent mo kasi hintayin mong tanggalin pag nandyan na, diba? Mukha siyang parang maliit na ice cream. Sobrang cute. Meron siya maliit na spatula for hygienic purposes. Sobrang gusto ko yun. Ang bango. Cream nga siya sa loob. At ito na yung last item. Wait. Buksan natin gamit ang mahiwagang scissors ko. Ito naman ang bubble sugar. Para siyang mga sugar cubes na maliliit. Tapos feeling ko, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang exfoliate. Na-intriga akong gamitin siya kasi ang cute na itsura. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero na-imagine ko chicken nuggets. Feeling ko gutom lang ako. At yun na lahat ng items na binigay nila sa akin sa baking themed box nila. Thank you so much to Althea Korea for sending me this box. If you guys want to order these items from Althea, I will leave a link of their website down in the description box below. All new members of Althea get 300 pesos off their first order. I will also leave the links of the items down in the description box below. Hahanapin ko sila sa Althea website para malink ko sa inyo. Thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for sticking around kahit hindi na ako nakaka-upload as often as I used to. You guys mean so much to me and I love you all so much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below or hit me up on my social media accounts. I would love to chat with you guys. I love you guys all so much and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah! So today, isasama ko kayo ulit sa isang event. I will be going to Vlogapalooza today. Kasama ko si Dance! Ayun!